Hi there, I'm David from DEB Chartered Accountants. This video will show you how to make a claim for the Self-Employed Income Support Scheme grant. Whilst it's not difficult to do, it was not immediately obvious where you needed to go. However, hopefully this video will make it easier for you. I would suggest that you play this video as you are making your claim and pause it at each stage as you proceed with your claim. Open up an internet browser and type in HMRC online and press enter. Then click on the link here that says HMR Services Sign In or Register. This brings you to this page. You need to scroll down this page until you get to here. Then click on Start Now. On this screen, click against Sign In with Government Gateway. Then at the bottom, press Continue. On arriving at this page, you need to go to the bottom of it and at the bottom, click on Continue to your account. You'll then be asked to enter your Government Gateway user ID and your password. Then click on Sign In. You'll then receive an access code as a text message on your mobile phone. You need to obtain that and enter it here. Then click on Continue. This may bring you to this page unless you've already indicated your preferences. If it does bring you here, scroll down this page until you get to here. I would suggest clicking against Through My HMRC online account and then enter your email address. Then at the bottom, click on Continue. They will then send a verification email to the address that you've given. You need to click on the link that it provides to confirm the address, then come back to this page and click on Continue. You'll then come to a page where you can check that your contact details are correct. Assuming that they are, click on Continue. When you arrive at your account home page, you need to click on the link at the top of the page relating to coronavirus. You'll then arrive at this page. Scroll down this page until you get to the section relating to guidance and support. You need to click on the option for business and self-employed people. Then when you get the drop down, click on Getting Financial Help and Keeping Your Business Safe. This will then bring you to the business support page. Then click on Find Out How to Apply for a Grant if you're self-employed. Scroll down this page, click on How to Claim. And on the next screen, search for the How to Claim section and click on Making Your Claim. This brings you to the appropriate page on which to make your claim. You will need to read this page to ensure that you are correct in making a claim. Scroll down and click on Start Now. On the next screen, you've got to enter your self-assessment unique tax reference number. You can locate this from a copy of your tax return. Then once you've done this, press Continue. On the next page, you're asked to enter your national insurance number. Enter this and press Continue. And then you should come to a screen confirming that you're eligible to make a claim. Click on Continue. Carefully read the content of the next screen and then at the bottom click on Here to accept and continue. Enter your full name here and ensure that the email and mobile numbers are correct. Then click on Continue. The next screen shows you the amount of the grant that you will get and how the details have been calculated. If you click on here, it will show you how they've arrived at the calculation of your average trading profits that they've used in their calculations above. You need to check the figures on this screen to the amounts reported to HMRC as your taxable profits on your last 3 years' tax returns. It tells you here what to do if you feel the amounts are wrong, but assuming that you wish to proceed, click on Continue. This will then ask you to indicate which type of bank account you wish the grant to be paid into. Make your choice and click on Continue. You then need to enter the name that appears on your bank statements, presumably your personal name or your business name. You also need to enter the sort code and the account number. And when you've done this, press Continue. On the next screen, enter the postcode that relates to the address shown on your bank's account statements. Then enter the property number and then click on Find Address. If the address is correct, then click here, or click here to enter the address manually. Once the address is correct, click on Continue. You'll then have the ability to check that all the details entered previously are correct. Make sure that they are, and assuming that they are all correct, click on Continue. On the next page, you need to read the declaration carefully, and then click on Accept to submit your claim. If you've done anything wrong, then you will get this message, in which case you'll then have to click on Start Again and enter all the details that you've previously put in, making sure that you get them right this time. Assuming that everything is correct, you will get to this screen, and well done, you've made your claim successfully. Scroll down and make sure that you take a printout copy of the grant details. You'll need these for entering on your tax return at a later date. And that's it, you've done. Hopefully you will receive the money within the 6 days that they have promised. Hope this has been of help. If it has, then please give it a like and pass it on to anyone that you know that is self-employed and needs to do a claim. Keep well and safe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.